In this video, I will introduce how to import Google Ads data into QuickTable. In QuickTable, click the Data Connections tab and open the Applications panel. On it, click the New Connection button on the right up. Find and click Google Ads connection. Click the Agree button. Then, the page redirects to Fivetran. Input Google Ads customer ID and click Authorize with Google. Then, on the Google Authorization page, choose your account and allow the authorization. After clicking Save and Test button, Fivetran runs connection testing for a while. Now, I created a Google Ads data connection. It starts the first synchronization, taking several minutes. Rename the connection. When the synchronization is completed, I go back to the Home tab. Then create a new project, connect Google Ads. Open this project, and click Connect to Data Source button. Choose the data connection I created previously, and select the campaign_stats table to import a new dataset into the project. Finally, I pulled some data from Google Ads into QuickTable. Thanks for your watching.